What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys another scary gore Halloween makeup look. This is going to be a spooky, scary ripped face that has been stitched back together. That is what I was trying to achieve with this look here, as you can see. And I'm going to show you guys, as always, a step-by-step detailed tutorial. So with products that you can find that are very affordable, and this can also be a last-minute Halloween look if you are looking for something quick and easy that you can do from the comfort of your home. Then this is the look that you're going to want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. And thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos if you are a returning subscriber, and hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload my weekly videos here on my channel. So stay tuned. So this is the white crayon paint pen that I'm going to be using today, and I'm just going to be using this white crayon. This is a face paint, and I'm just going to be using that to draw my pattern on my face for this video. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be outlining, and I'm just going to be drawing 2 circles. I'm going to draw one smaller circle, and I'm just going to draw a bigger one on the outside of this circle that I am drawing here. I'm not really trying to get it too straight. I'm just trying to just make it a circle as close to my eyebrows without going on top of my eyebrows, and just around in that area to make it as circular as possible. Not a perfect circle, but just kind of like an oval. So now what I'm doing is I'm going in, and I'm with that same crayon paint pencil, and I'm just going to be going around, and I'm going to be outlining my second line for this makeup look that I'm going to be doing here for today. And I did this this paint pencil in a set of 5, I believe. I'm not sure. No, I think that my sister got this from Walmart or something. I forgot exactly. Maybe Target, she got this set. But this is a liquid latex that I'm going to be using today. I'm just pouring some of this inside of this little container, and I'm going to be using this silicone brush to apply my liquid latex. So basically what I'm going to be doing here is I'm just dipping that silicone brush into that liquid latex, and I'm just using this silicone brush because it just makes it easier to clean. I could just wipe it off, and I don't have to ruin like a regular bristle brush to apply my liquid latex onto my lines here. So I'm going to be applying the liquid latex, like I said, on top of the lines that I made here, and this is going to give me that I put the liquid latex because that's what the design is going to stick to, basically, and I'm just using the liquid latex as my base, basically. So this is regular tissue that I'm using. I'm just I did cut it into smaller section, and I did fold it over as well, just to make sure it fits on top of that line. It's okay that if it overlaps onto the line in the inner part, but I didn't want it to go outside of that line too much, because I do have a line on the outside of this line that I'm going to be going over with that same tissue as well. So I was just trying to make sure that everything everywhere, where the liquid latex is, I was just going over on top with my tissue to create that effect that I'm going to be doing today for this video. So as you can see by the title and by the thumbnail, this is a gore, like scary, it's supposed to be special effects makeup. And you know, some people are not into this type of makeup, but it's one of my interests. I just love everything beauty, and I do regular makeup as well, but this is just a special effects makeup that I enjoy doing as well. So I'm just showing you guys this video that I have here today. So I'm going over with that same liquid latex, and I did get this latex, this liquid latex from Amazon. Very affordable products that I use here. And I'm just going in with that same silicone brush, and I'm going in with that liquid latex, dipping into it and applying it straight on top of that tissue that I put here on top of my lines, on top of that latex. So everywhere where the tissue is, I'm just covering it with that liquid latex so that everything can stay in place. The tissue won't move, it would dry into place. So this is how it looks after I have done my second layer as well and finished that second layer of that liquid latex. I only went in with 1 layer of that tissue, if you guys are wondering. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to separate that tissue from each other, and I'm just trying to create a space in between, and I'm just using my scissors, and I'm being very careful because I don't want to cut myself or ruin my design or cut too much of this away. There was some places in this video that I did cut some of that liquid latex off, and more of that tissue because it was just a little bit too much in that area, and I wanted it to be not too thin but not too thick as well, so it was just too bulky in some areas. So I was just eliminating some of that product and tissue and liquid latex that was dried to create that effect that I was doing. So as you can see, I'm just cutting it to opening that space up because this is where I'm gonna create that special effects and give it the effect of this is like a open wound where your skin was ripped or pulled apart. So this is what I'm trying to create here. I'm just separating those two lines, and as you can see, I'm just separating it from the middle. I'm not separating it from the edges as well, just the middle part, just to give it that space in between. I'm trying to create a gap in between these two lines so that again I can do my special effects as far as with my paint and my fake blood and coagulated blood as well. So like I said before, I am into special effects makeup and makeup as well. So this is just going to be another one of my Halloween makeup looks that I'm doing here on my channel. It is going to be more to come, so I hope you guys stay tuned for my upcoming videos as well. So now what I'm doing is I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and so I'm going over on top of that liquid latex because as you can see, it dries yellow and it's not my skin tone, and it really stands out and it's really bright, and I wanted to blend. I did want it to mimic my actual skin, so that's why I went over with my foundation color on top of that liquid latex to help it blend and to mimic again ripped and pulled and skin basically. So now I'm taking my brush and I'm going to go in with that black shade first from that paint palette, and I'm just going in with that black first, and I'm just wanted to create that black effect first, and then I am going to go in with burgundy, which was going to be a little bit darker and a darker red, and then after that, as you can see now, I'm going in with that red. So as you can see, those three colors together really makes it stand out and really gives it that effect that this is exposed skin and flesh underneath, and the liquid latex and the tissue on the outside is supposed to be mimic my skin. Basically, it's supposed to be my skin texture, and not texture, but that is what it's supposed to be mimicking. So I'm just going in with that same brush, and I'm just going over the whole area that is exposed, and I'm going in again with that black shade. I did go in with that burgundy as well, and then now I'm going in with that red. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm going in with that red this is fake blood, this is liquid blood that I got from Amazon as well. I'm just going in between that wound that I applied, and I'm just going in between that area all around the circumference, and I'm going in between only and a little bit on top of that area to create a bloody effect and to give it that really gore and realistic look. This is what I was trying to achieve by applying my liquid blood basically. And I am patting it on the outer areas as well, because you know it's not going to, if it was to be realistic, the blood is not going to be in one spot. It will spill over into certain parts in certain areas. So that's what I was trying to mimic by just dabbing to create that effect of that. So now I'm going in with this is my eyelash glue, and this is by Eye Envy, and I'm just going to be using that to place dots onto my face. And the dots that I'm creating, there's going to be what is going to hold my string into place. So I am going in kind of like a zigzag motion, and only at the points is where I'm going to be placing that glue. I didn't want it to be too close. I did want it to be like a jagged look. I didn't want it to be straight across, so that's what I was trying to achieve here by putting the eyelash glue in the certain places basically. So how's everybody doing? I know I like to ask you guys, how's everybody doing? How's they day going? And if you guys are ready for Halloween, because I'm excited. I always say that in every video, not every video, but just mostly when I have just uploaded my just the Halloween content here on my channel. But I'm excited. Like I said before, I do have a lot of content coming up as far as for Halloween makeup looks and just really cool, exciting glam looks and some gore, scary special effects looks as well. I just like to mix it up here just to give you guys different options and different ideas of what you can do for Halloween. So what I'm doing next, this is actually weaving glue. This is the string that I use for when I am making a wig or if I'm making a wig or if I am doing a sew and weave. So this is the same thin string that I'm going to be using, weaving thread that I'm going to be using. And I'm just putting it, as you can see, on the places where I put those dots, and I wanted to give it that stitch look effect, so that's why I went in at an angle like that. And I noticed that when I pressed down onto the glue with my finger, that the glue came up onto my finger. So I was trying to go along these edges and wherever I put the glue, and I was just trying to just only place down the thread in that area and not pressing down with my finger, so that the glue does not attach to my finger as well. So I was just trying to be careful and do it in those areas, and I was also trying to keep it as straight as possible so that it's not wavy in some areas. I was trying to give it that pulled stitch effect, so that's what I was trying to create here. And this is also in real time. I wanted you guys to see exactly how long it would take me to achieve this look, even though some parts are sped up and cut out. But those are just the areas where, you know, certain things don't need to be in the video. But for the most part, this video is in real time, and I'm showing you guys step by step and how long it takes me to create this look, and how fast and easy and it is to create this look. I know it may look complex to some people, but it's really not that hard. It's really easy to create, and I use all affordable products as well. If you guys are interested in trying to recreate this look or creating this look on someone else for Halloween, this is a good idea if you guys are looking for something quick, something easy, and something at home that you can do. So if you guys have reached so far in this video this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload my videos here on my YouTube channel. So what I was doing now, I went in with that same paint palette, and I was going in with that black shade, and I just took a tapered small brush, and I was just going all alongside the outsides of the areas where I put my glue only, and I was just doing a curved line at those ending at those points where the stitch is supposed to be coming from the skin. I do a curved line just to give it that effect, to give it that texture as if it's being pulled in that area. So that is what I was trying to achieve by going in with those lines, those black paint lines basically. I think that it really did give that effect, but I think that I could have added something else to this makeup look to give it that pulled effect even more. But I think that this did really well. It did really come out good as far as how I thought it would look, but I'm really proud of this look, and I hope you guys are learning something from this video. And just if you're not trying to learn something, just enjoying my content here on my channel. So now I was going in back in with that paint palette, and this is a face paint, and I'm going back in with that red shade. So what I was thinking of, being that these certain areas that I put the string at with when I added the glue first, these areas are supposed to be it's supposed to mimic that the string is being pulled and the thread is being pulled, and that the face is being stitched back together. So I wanted to add a little bit of red to each of those dots, because if it was being pulled and it was actual skin, it would have some type of blood or scabbing over. So that's why I just created those little small dots of that red paint to give it that effect, basically a little bit more, to help it stand out. And yeah, so here was the finished product of this makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the down in the comment section below, excuse me. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning into another one of my videos. I do have some other videos up here on my channel that you guys can check out, and also check out my other social media platforms. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.